Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. It's a very, 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 very beautiful morning today. Bum, 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 bum. Dum, 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 dum. Alrighty. Good morning, everyone. How's everyone doing? How's everyone doing? How's everyone doing? All right, here. What's going on, Problematic? How you doing, brother? I'm doing good. Rcats Zero, what's going on, man? How you doing? AGR, welcome back, welcome back. Eddie, what's up, bro? How are you? How are you? How's your day going today, man? How's everyone's day going today? My day's you had a, my day's going very good actually. Right? So we're gonna wait for some more people to get in. And we're gonna mark off this chart, and then we're going to dissect what potentially could happen here. Let me not forget to open up Forex Factory as of opposed, because I think today is some sort of news. Yes, Fed testifies today. All right. Yo, good morning, Sylvester. How you doing? How's everyone doing? Thank you guys for tuning in. We're about to wait for some people here, and we're gonna dissect the chart from higher time frames to 4-hour time frames to 1 hour, and then see on the 5-minute, 15-minute how we could enter. You know what I mean? Then we're also going to mark up some GJ, and potentially. Oh, this is about to be juicy. This is about to be juicy. Juicy. Juicy buys. Ooh, again. Ooh, again. Again. Right. Alright. You know what? Let's get it started. Let's start marking up this chart. Let's move this here. Let's start here with the monthly. Let's look at the monthly. How the monthly is currently pushing up, okay? Monthly's currently pushing up. Did kind of just hit a rejection zone. You trading GJ? No, bro. What's up, man? Doing good? What's up, man? Doing good. Your side? I'm doing great, bro. Thank you. Beautiful in the morning. You know, I just got out the shower, feeling fresh. You know, have my cup of coffee right here. Everything's going good. You know what I mean? So let's look at the monthly, right? Last monthly candle, super bullish. We know that. This monthly candle, we are looking to fill this wick. But keep in mind, guys, keep in mind, this whole monthly area is a rejection zone, right? So we could reject in this whole wick. We could very reject to come back down to this monthly support area right in here, right? We very well could, because the monthly candle just opened, right? So the monthly candle could wick up here, play a bit, wick down, right? and then for the second half of the month, saying like 15 days, make its way back up. Potentially. But you should always be looking for buys, right? So let's go down to the weekly. So the weekly, this candle hasn't closed yet, but it looks like the weekly has no bottom wick. Okay. Give me a second. Let me turn my camera off. Man, zit hij onder. Maar kunt je me een glas water mee pakken? Ja. Alright, my bad. I talked to my girl here. Okay. So the weekly, right? It's not closed yet, but if it closes like this, very strong bullish candle, right? The daily candlestick. So this is when a lot of you guys can learn a lot, right? Just by looking at this yesterday's daily candle and today's daily candle. Now, you anticipate what today's daily candle is going to do at a time of volume. That's your move. That is your move. What this daily candle is going to do at times of volume, right? Where's it going to set up? Where could it go to, right? Where could we reject to potentially go up, right? So, I'm going to break this down here from starting 28th of February all the way until now. So, you see how this daily candle couldn't break the daily low, right? I went over this yesterday as well, I think, but I feel like this is so important to get this in your mind repetitively, right? So you know what to look out for on the daily candles, because I've had a lot of questions from how did you get your entry. I will tell you, but let me get up there. So this daily candle right here couldn't break this daily low, right? It kind of just ranged, right? So knowing that, in this area, you actually didn't have any. With this daily candle, I took a loss. Because why? We broke below, right? And now I know this for the next time. We broke below. We were supposed to retest, continue lower. It didn't do that. Fine. I was counter trend trading. I risked 0.25%. But my ideas and intentions were good. Multiple rejections. You can't win them all. Anyway, right? Then the daily candle closed like this. This daily candle did close above resistance. And very strong as well. So I expected this candle to pull back down somewhere into this area, right? Somewhere into this area to then continue higher when times of volume comes, right? Now, same thing with this daily candle. Look how yesterday's daily candle, look how bullish that is. This is a perfect, strong, bullish candle. Look at the wick. Look at the wick, right? Perfect. Crumbles, cookies, this price can shoot up real nice, right? Let's go to the 4-hour mark off the 4-hour real quick. Let me get rid of that. Let me get rid of this, all these little lines here, man. Let me get rid of this. We're going to keep that, right? We are going to keep that. But we're going to go to the 4-hour time frame. We're going to mark off this area of my TP again. Right? This is my full TP on this long. Right? What do we have here? We have resistance. Right here. Price made resistance. This candlestick tapped into that resistance and rejected. Be very careful. But this 4-hour candle hasn't broken the low yet of the previous 4-hour candle. Keep in mind. Right? We have 4-hour support right in this area. And then we have a resistance all through this area. Remember what I said? We have to come get this money up here. We have to come get this money up here, dude. Right? So, with that, with us knowing that, we can start looking at potential zones where price could pull back into and then continue higher. Right? So, we're going to do that on the 1-hour time frame. I'm going to look on the 1-hour time frame, and I do see a support area on the 1-hour. I kind of don't want to mark this up, but there's a support area here on the 1-hour time frame, right? That we potentially could come down to, or we could come right back into this resistance to respect our previous higher high, right? Higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, right? Higher low is about to get broken, right? If you retest, you could potentially catch a short. Potentially. I wouldn't do it though. Right. And let me actually do this a little bit. I don't want that wide. I want it a little tight, just like that. Right. Now, most definitely, I'm still waiting for a pullback. Most definitely waiting for a nice pullback. Potentially some consolidation to then continue and break this high. Right. But when you're in this buys, where's your TP going to be? You know what I mean? Where's your TP going to be? Right at this resistance again. Let me look at some questions. What's my you trading GJ? No sir. Yo, what's up, Adam? How you doing? Martins, Jay Martins. Good morning, bro. Welcome back. Mary John, hello man. What's up? Welcome back as well. Okay, that's it. Flat and done for today. Oh, nice. You took a trade. I'm buying gold now. You're a Timmy. I was thinking gold buys from 1926 earlier, but done now. 1926. 1926. Okay, break it high. Okay. I'm buying now, man. What you think? This is what I think. What the fuck? Amiri? Amirjan. You're the first Timmy today, boy. Bro, how's Luke doing? That's a good question. I mean, I've texted him, he hasn't responded, so I think he's really trying to, get better, man. Yeah, Luke's got corona, man. I hope everything is okay. I've texted him, but no response. He must really be feeling sick. He normally always responds to me, always. Yeah, no response, man. No response. So he's really probably feeling very bad, man. But he'll be okay, 100%. Yeah, he's a beast. All right, so exactly. Plan for the day is we're going to look for a pullback, continuation up, simple. If you can't wait, I waited yesterday, from like this time, 10:30 ish, all the way till what time did I catch this trade with Jerry? Me and Jerry caught this trade at here. It was at 3. Yeah, waited like 6 hours, dude, and it wasn't even my trading time, right? It wasn't even my trading time. You know what I mean? Okay, and let me mark off this as well. I feel like this level is important. All right. Still in yesterday's trade? Yes, runners. No full positions. Runners. Yes, sir. Runners. Ooh, you must not know, Nav man. I love to collect my profits, and I love putting my stops at break even, making myself very safe. But I did get a nasty wick entry. I did. I really did. You could say it's luck, but not. Okay. Yo, Sylvester, explain your confirmation for yesterday's buys, please. Because I was looking at it, but did not find a confirmation yet. Yesterday's trade was very, very fast and impulsive. That's probably why you didn't find a confirmation, but I'm gonna show you where you could have entered as well. So let me bring up here Telegram here, right? Let's go back here to right here. This was the level, right? At this 15-minute support area. I'm going to tell you why this 15-minute support area as well, right? We're close to it. So if you go to the 1 hour, right? If you go to the one, let's go to Oanda so I don't mess up my let's go to Oanda and let's break this down, right? Remove drawings. I'm only gonna mark up the 4-hour time frame, right? I'm only gonna mark up the 4-hour time frames. Just real quick, just to show you guys how I caught this trade, right? Resistance, then we had this right here. Everyone loves to collect profits, yes sir, 100%. Shahid, what's going on, man? I wasn't thinking break it high, but it retests from somewhere down there. Yes. Okay, perfect. So on the 1 hour, we had a break of resistance right here, right? Settings, let's make that orange, right? And you go to the 15-minute. On the 15-minute, you had this support on the 15-minute time frame. And I knew exactly, I was like, yeah, this is the area. Because why? Price broke above this area, right? Price broke the previous higher high, right? To create another higher high. This is the first support area above the resistance area that it broke, right? So I knew in everything that you break, you need to retest. So I knew in the back of my head, we're going to come back to this area, right? We're going to have to come back to this area. The worst case scenario is that gold wicks into this area, right? Worst case scenario. This is what I was thinking, right? So price broke and retested. Now I have to say, let's go to the 5-minute. We were watching, I was actually talking to my boy Sham, and my alarm went off because I had an alarm right here set, and then this happened. It spiked up and it ran away, right? We stayed patient. Right? Price came in here, dropped again, right? We didn't enter on this wick, but I entered here. Now, how I entered was on the 1-minute time frame. Right? It was on the 1-minute time frame. Very risky, but at a time of volume and knowing what the heck you're looking at, it doesn't become risky anymore, right? Because at a time of volume, you know, and honestly, I do not support this way of trading for people that don't know what they're looking at. If you are new, if you haven't been trading and looking at the 1 minute for longer than 2 years, do not attempt this at your own. Don't do it. Don't do it. You need to know exactly where and why and how, right? So I saw this happen. So I knew we need to come back down, potentially fill this wick, reject again. Second rejection, I'm going to get in with the stops below here. So I saw this candle right here, this doji candle. I entered at the break of that candle, right? I was doing dynamic risk, but my stops were below here, right? I saw this candle and I entered at the break of here. So I had 2 positions on one account. On the other account, because I have a separate account for you know, because I want to buy a new computer, so I put some money in the account to get a new computer, right? And then it left. Now, how could you have caught this on the 5-minute with a little bit more confirmations, probably a little bigger stop loss? But I honestly don't suggest anyone doing this. That's just the truth. See this 5-minute candle, right? Closed very, 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 very strong bullish from this area that we already rejected off of once. Remember what I always say? I always preach. The first signal gold gives you is never the real signal. That's never the real push. This was the first signal. That's not the real push. At times. But let's say 70% of the time, the first signal is not the real push. It's going to signal out once, then it's going to come back and do something again to show you now we're ready, right? So entries that you could have had here on the lower time frames, and now I'm going to go to the 15-minute time frames after this to show you how you could have caught this. If you're comfortable with this strong bullish candle, then you could have had an entry here with stops most definitely below here this week. 100%. You can't be greedy and do this, because price could most definitely still come back down wick and you know, try to stop people out, right? Boom, that was one entry. Now, what do we have right here on the lower time frame? What is this? This green line that what is that on the lower time frame? What is that? That's a resistance, dude. On the lower time frame, that's resistance. So what did you have here? You had a break, the 50% retest right into the resistance, and then you had support formed. Another entry, right? Now it's easy to say where you could have entered, right? It's easy to say now, but I can say this because I'm in this trade from down here. I can tell you where I was monitoring this trade with Jerry all yesterday, so we know exactly what's going on, right? Resistance on the 5-minute, break structure, continuation, support formed. Now, if you would have gotten in at the break of this or anywhere in this range with the stops below, you would still be up very, you would be okay, right? You would be okay. Your TP would have got hit, right? This is just lower time frame I'm showing you guys. I'm going to show you guys how you could have entered on a 15-minute. The 15-minute was the most simplest. Very simple, right? Then, what do you have here again? What is this area now? All these candles are resistance, right? You break above, you come back down. So it gave you it gave you tons of opportunities here. And then it just left. It gave you tons of opportunities and then it left, right? Now, going to the 15-minute, how you could have entered this on the 15-minute, right? Price, like I said, this is the first wick. This is the fake out. You do not want to enter on the first signal of buying, sort of say, right? We had a break structure, retest on the 1 hour, 15-minute support, right? Price broke up, came right back down, and then you had this beautiful candle. This is a very strong candle right here. This is a very strong candlestick. This is why I tell people, read that candlestick Bible, because if you would have read that book, you would have known that you put your stops, that you buy at the break of the high or at the open, and you put your stops below here. Now, your stop loss is bigger. Your stop loss is bigger, but you have your confirmations, right? You're going to risk a little less, but your confidence is going to go to the roof after that, right? Where's your take profit at? At the previous high. Always at the previous high, right? Me personally, I love the bodies. Some people like to target the wicks. I feel like the wicks are extra. The bodies, you're always going to get a reaction. Right? Now, the risk to reward ratio isn't that great on this, but you waited for your confirmation at a high volume time, so you have to be prepared to take a big stop loss if you want to trade the way that I trade, intraday / day trader, whatever you want to call it. You have to be okay with having sometimes a 20 pip stop, sometimes a 30 pip stop, sometimes a 40 pip stop, right? You have to be okay with that if you want to trade the way that day traders, right? If you want to have a small stop, then scalp, right? And then plus scalping right now in high volume times, you're going to look at 20, 30 pips easy on gold. So, right? And that's how I caught that trade. Just like that. Let's see on the 30-minute if you could have entered. On the 30-minute, not really. Probably. Yeah, the 1 hour was better. You could have also entered on the 1 hour. Why? Now this is just all up to you how you would have entered on the 1 hour here, right? Same concept, man. Break structure, continuation. This candle created support above previous higher high, right? Higher high, higher low, higher high, new higher low, support, right? Now, this is a doji candle, a weak bullish doji candle. But you have to keep in mind, dude, there's war going on. There's everything going on. You gotta just buy right now and just buy it. You know what I mean? And it's a volume time, right? This is 2 p.m. This is London Open. Most definitely that this next 1 hour candle is gonna fly. 100%, dude. 100%. It's a volume time. You know what I mean? So, at this 2 candle pullback, you created support above resistance. Market structure, very easy. If you don't know market structure, go back and watch my video. It's one of my first videos. Very easy for the continuation, right? You're most definitely always targeting the high. Always. That should be always your first TP. That's rule. That's a rule, right? Because for all you know, price could come here, reject, and leave you in the dust. You know what I mean? That's how I caught that trade. And you could have entered on the 1 hour, probably at the 1 hour open. That was on you. Or you could have waited for the 1 hour to wick down one more last time to then continue. That was all on you. So for the people that asked me how I caught that trade in the Telegram yesterday, there you have it. There you have that trade. Right here. Call it out before the time was even there. Execute on it. Plan your trade. Be patient. Execute. Repeat. Plan your trade. See what's going on. Execute. Same thing every day. Now we're gonna plan today's trade. I'm gonna plan today's trade, right? So I'm in bias from down here, right? I'm gonna plan today's trade, and then I'll go over the questions. Let's pull out our poly line. Let's look at what he said first. Okay. All right. He's in shorts. Congratulations. My stops are break even, right? Right now, the only thing that you would want to do is wait. It's the only thing you want to do, right? Now, this area right here, we're going to break above. Easy, right? We broke above. Now, what I want to see is, right, let's pull out the poly line. What I want to see is a break above, right? We broke above, created a double top. I want the price to come down here and rest here. I want to rest. I really want it to show us that this is a valid, what's that word I'm looking for? I really want for this price to appreciate that resistance as a support area to continue into this higher wick zone on the monthly, right? That's my plan, right? Let's go to the 1 hour. Let's draw a fib, and let's see where the areas of interest are. Let's see if there's any lower time frame areas of interest. Yeah, I really like this area. I really like that area. Potentially buy again, right? Potentially buy again. Now I say potentially because if price gets to that point and the price action isn't in line with the zone, then you shouldn't enter the entry. You shouldn't. All right. And now the only thing we kind of know where our zones is at. We know that this is a previous higher high that needs to get retested to continue, right? Say if we could retest this to continue higher, perfect. Let me go over some questions. Sorry. Wondering why you do not look at US30/DAX, etc. You only gold. Guessing you just stay focused on one pair. Yes, sir, bro. I'm comfortable here, you know. If I go to a different pair and I mark it up, I get edgy and I don't know what to do. So I'm very comfortable with gold right now, 100%. Till the war is over, close your eyes and buy. YouTube drama, 100% agree. Problematic, I'm gonna do it. Don't do it. Please don't do it. I looked at that 5-minute too, but had no top wick, and the 4-hour was closing like a doji. That scared me, dude. That's when repetitive. That's when that screen time comes in. Looking at this 4-hour closes every day. This 4-hour close yesterday told me that we're just gonna go up, right? Now the analogy that I like to use for this, you call me weird, whatever the fuck, is the back in the day when there was still longbows and archers and stuff. When they wanted to breach into a castle, they brought that little battering ram, right? But above the battering ram, they had the shield for the archers on top of the castle. So this is the battering ram breaking the castle gates, right? And these are the soldiers flooding into the castle. That's how I look at it. Call me weird, it's weird, but that's how I look at it, and it helps me, right? And it's bullish. It never closed bearish. Weak bullish, but times of volume, you gotta know, dude. There's a whole bunch of people that have their stops right here, just like that, to try and sell. Why? And this is why I said yesterday as well, right? You knock on a door one time, you knock on a door twice, 3 times, 4 times. It's not gonna keep selling, dude. Right? Is that time for that strong support or strong resistance to break, Sylvester? So that's when that's when screen time. You know, that's when it's gonna benefit you in the long run, right? Because you see certain things, and then you know what to do with them next time. Anyway, call to buy yesterday. Send a chart, bro. Why don't you use buy limits on the retest zone, smaller stops? Because I can't control my trade, bro. I'm not comfortable with buy limits. I never really used them. Never really used them, bro. So I mean, they work, but I feel like if you put a buy limit and you're not watching your trade, I don't know, bro. I feel like if you're wrong, you could be wrong, then price is just gonna tank. You know what I mean? Call 15 pips on gold and Asian during Biden's speech, and 21 pips on gold London Open. Very well. Send a chart. Tell us how you did it. What's the difference between your yellow and blue support bars? Oh, okay. It's just a color code. So my red support is 4-hour. My yellow support is 1-hour support. And then the blue is like 15-minute. It's 30-minute and lower support, right? Waiting? Yeah, me too, AM. Just waiting. That's it. If I'm done for today, can I still get Timmy? Alright, bro. You want to be on the Timmy list so bad, I got you, bro. You could be on the Timmy list today. You could be on the Timmy list for today. You could be on the Timmy list. There you go. Wait. He is still Timmy number 1, though. You're Timmy number 2 for today, okay? You want to be on the Timmy list so bad. There you go. Timmy number 2. Right? Oh shit, someone on the Timmy list? What did he do? Yeah, he said something. But you know I don't put anyone on the oh, he said buy gold now, or he said I'm buying gold now, something like that. Yeah, I just stick to gold in NAS 100, 1 or 2 trades, and I call it a day. Perfect. That's all you need. 1 or 2 trades, call it a day, and move on. Right? Move on. Don't stick around too long. 4-hour rejection? What do you mean, AM? I don't understand. Why day trading? YouTubers buy high and sell low. Isn't that risky? It's not risky when you know what you're doing. Right? It's not risky when you know what you're doing. Me personally, I'm against. I wouldn't do it, because I would love for a better price to buy it and to get the longer move, the bigger move. But For a lot of people, it works. Right? A lot of people it works because a lot of people cannot hold this here for 8 hours. A lot of people can't do that. You know what I mean? A lot of people can't hold the trade for that long. So a lot of people know that from themselves, and they scalp, and they find a way to scalp. Right? Bro, do I trade GJ? I used to, not anymore though. You're welcome, Sylvester. Amir, yes, man. Yes. Timmy. Not Amir. Timmy. Our cats, Timmy. How long do you stay on the charts for? Not long, bro. I don't stay on the charts too long. Except for yesterday, I stayed on a little longer than normal. Yesterday I stayed on until NYSE open, which is at 3:30. From like 10:30 to 3:30, which is like 4 or 5 hours. It's a lot of time. I normally spend like 2-3 hours on the charts, right? Is it going to retest the meltdown? You're Timmy. I'm not answering those questions. How long have you been trading? 5 days. Give me a second. Turn off my camera. Any pause. Right? Do I trail stops? No, bro. I don't trail stops. Now, let me tell you. Say we push up from this area, right? Say we push up from this area, then I would put my stops below here. Yes. But as of right now, there's no real structure that has been formed for me to trail my stops, right? Now, mind you, it's a runner. It's a runner, dude. A lot of my positions already took out a lot of profits from my positions. So if I get stopped at break even, it wouldn't hurt me. You know, I wouldn't even care. Right? Hey, bro, 4-hour close below other 4 hours. Okay. Then what do you mean? Abdul Manan. Good morning, sir. How are you doing? Welcome to the stream. I hope you're doing good, sir. And it's tap the daily low as well. Send a chart AM, bro. How can I join the Timmy gang? You don't want to be the Timmy, bro. You don't want to be the Timmy, bro. Trust. Check out XAU Euro. If you tell me what you're looking at, then I'll look at it. Just joined? Are you in any trade? Yes. I'm in a trade from yesterday. You know, cause you guys say like daily low and 4-hour this. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what pair. I don't know what time. I don't know when. Just send a chart. It's easier. Send a chart. It's easier, and then you know what? You know what? When sending a chart, everyone can learn from it, right? Let's see. Double top. Send a chart. Send a chart. I do see that, but send a chart. And this double top is only a TP for the smarter people. This is a TP for me, right? That's a TP for the next time coming. Vidatanik. Yes, I see that. AM. Haha. Lol. Lol. Oh man. Yo, Powell, how you doing, bro? What's up? How's your day doing? You know? How's life? Everything okay? You need to talk to someone? I'm here, bro. What does the Timmy list mean? Well, the Timmy list is actually it's from a game, right? So if you're a Timmy in the game, it means you're a noob. You're low geared. So you get called a Timmy. And yeah. So basically, the Timmys for today are, I mean, our cats. He's not a noob. You know, he wanted to be on there. But Amir. He asked to be on a Timmy list today. So today, Amir is a noob. He's a rookie. He's looking for clean traffic. Let him do that, bro. What is that? Are you a scalper or a swing trader? I'm more like of an intraday trader. I don't scalp, bro. I get too antsy. Be like, ah. I like to let my trade breathe a little bit, right? Oh my god. Are you streaming NFP this Friday? No. I don't like trading NFP. I mean I do, but then I don't. And I don't like to stream it because a lot of people lose money and they end up blaming you. Right. Hi, from South Africa. New here. Excited to learn from you, man. Have a TP day. I like that. Have a TP day. Instead of saying have a good day, he said have a TP day. Yeah, I like that. Welcome, Larnell, Ron Ganger. Welcome, bro. I appreciate you tuning into the stream, man. I hope you stick around. I do give out a lot of nuggets. I just gave out a lot of nuggets as well. Just right now, I'm going over the questions, and I'm almost ran out. Gold is always in the buy. Yeah, if you're looking at very long term, yeah, you're right. You're right. But then if you're looking at like short term, like let's go back to, for example, right? If you're looking at like short term, like right here, you shouldn't look for buys, right? You shouldn't look for buys when price breaks like a zone like this and retest. Never. That's why when price breaks this area, no way in hell I'm looking for buys. No way, no. I'm gonna shorten the fuck out of it. Yo, what's up, Keys? How you doing, bro? Welcome back. Always good to see your face. Good information, but some motherfucker here can't give a like, guys. Mean. You know what I say, bro. I'm not gonna ask anyone to like the stream. If they like the stream, they like it themselves. If they don't like the stream, there's always a dislike button. I mean, you know what I mean? The only thing I could do is keep going and keep providing information to the people that want the information. That's it. How many pips do you grab daily basis average? I don't know, bro. It depends. It all depends on the range that I'm in. It all depends on how much money that I can make. It all depends. I can't put a price tag on it. Like yesterday, for example, like this pip, I made like 373 pips. It went 373 pips. And I remember I collected at 300 pips. I collected, but it all depends. You know, like yesterday I took profit. I entered here. I took profit here for 100 pips. It all depends. Sometimes I close a day with 50 pips, sometimes 40 pips, sometimes even 20 pips, you know? Sometimes 20 pips and then I cut it. You know, it all really depends on the day and on the market structure and what the market wants to give. How many pips do you grab daily, Nav Deep? Don't come in here talking about like, yeah, I grab like 156 pips every day. No, I take what the market gives always. Positive vibes only, bro. Positive vibes only. Only. I wouldn't even come on the charts if I stepped out of bed with the wrong foot. I'd be like, you know what? Instagram. Sorry guys, no stream today. Not feeling well. You know what I mean? 10 to 12 only. That's good. That's very good. I mean, if you're content with that, you know how I look at it, Nav Deep, and I will, for the people that are here like every day, I look at it like this, right? We are all striving to be better. Right? We all hopefully want to become full-time traders. But you have to look, where do you live? and what's your minimum wage. And when you know that, you put two and two together. Say minimum wage where I'm from is $50 a day, which ends up to be like $1,500 a month. Minimum wage. So if you could manage to make $50 a day for a month or more, you always want to go for more. But if you can manage that for consistently, then one, you don't have to go to work, right? And two, you have more time, family time, whatever you want to do, right? And three, you're not a slave to society. You know what I mean? So look at that. Try to get like $50. $50, 1% a day, 2%, 1.5%. Every day. You lose one, you lose 0.5%. You go back, come back the next day, you take 2%, come back, you know? But at the end of the month, you always want to make more than the average minimum wage person. How old am I? Yes. Now I do have a fat beard, but don't think I'm like 40 or something, bro. How old are you, buddy? Being a trader is a beautiful thing. It is. It is. That's why Nav Deep. Sometimes don't even look at the money. Look at the percentages, like Jay Martin says. Look at the percentages. Look at like the consistency, the pip count, the discipline. You gotta want to look at all that. You know what I mean? I'm happy with whatever the plate gives. I'm grateful that I don't have to go work for a fucking piece of shit that I have to swallow every time he says go do that, and deep inside you're burning. Ugh, hate that shit. Hate it. That shit. It's done. Over. The Curious Chris asked me how old I am. How old do you think? How old do you think, Mr. Chris? I haven't seen your face in here before or your logo, so it's probably your first time. Welcome, bro. Around 24. You nailed it, buddy. You nailed it. 24, bro. 24. Thanks. 50? Fuck out of here. What? Come on, bro. FX all day. Come on, you can't do me like that, bro. Do I really look 50 with these muscles? Oh man, this dude said 50. Wow. Jesus Christ. That's fucked up, bro. Damn. He laughing at me too. He like, got him. He's like, I got him. Triggered. Nah, I'm 24, bro. Still young. I'm a greenie, literally. You know. I'm 19. Oh yeah, you're real greenie. You still piss on your balls. I'm just kidding. I was 19 5 years ago. I remember. Nasty 19. FX, you gotta go. I almost died because of you, bro. You gotta go. Oh man. What the fuck, bro? Oh, that was a good one. That was a good one. You said my forehead made me think that. My He also gonna apologize, like, my bad, bro, my bad, but I thought you're 50. Oh shit. Oh, I'm crying. I almost died. I almost choked on my coffee, bro. Oh, you gotta go, bro. You gotta get the fuck out of here, bro. You gotta. Oh, dude. Oh, I'm crying. Oh, that was a good one. That was a good laugh. Oh, that was a good one. Oh, you motherfucker. You better ever not let me see your face, bro, because I'm gonna toast your ass, boy, like a strudel. Oh fuck. Ah, good shit, man. Timmy List, nah, that you gotta get put. He gotta get a reward for that. He just made me cry out of joy. That's good, man. That's good. And he almost made me die, and he almost made me care. He almost made me die, and he made me cry. He almost made me die, and he made me cry. What the fuck? Ah, that was a good one. FX all day. Good shit, bro. Nah, hold up. Let me not look at the chart. Let me not look at the YouTube screen and take a swig of the coffee before you pop up with something else. Why they doing my boy go out like that? I don't know, bro. It's okay. I could take a joke, you know? I could take a joke. Ooh, man, you don't want to hear my friends and I. When we talk to each other, it's only joking, man. It's a. Oh, you can't come around my friends if you're a soft-hearted person. You'll get flamed, toasted, toasted. Every little thing you do, like, I mean, like we're normal to it, but oh man, yeah, that was a good laugh. So gold right now is just dicking about, man. Just literally waiting. Um, that's it. You don't have no idea people's age? No. No, I do not have idea of people's age, bro. I I can't hang around dudes who can't take a joke. Nah, I can't either, bro. It's like go home and cry to your mother or something, dude. My trade BQBSDOP. What? What do you mean, Rohit Kahiti? I don't understand, brother. Yeah, I agree though. Problematic. I feel like if you have a good bond with your friends, um, I feel like you need to actually um joke with each other. I don't know. That's me. But like I call my friend. I'm like, "What's up, bitch?" He's like, "What's up, pussy?" You know, like what are we doing today, or what are you doing? That's how you talk to them. That's how I talk to my friends. Everyone's different, you know. There's like not one day that my friends and I could just be normal. Yeah, blaming each other is bonding. 100% agree. I hate a guy that meets my buddies, then cries about getting roasted, and leaves chat like roast back. Yeah, roast back, dude. Roast back. And roast back or forever hold your peace. Roast back or forever hold your peace. 100%. I think that's the Rohit trading views link. That's not a link, dude. Oh, it probably is. Let me. Oops. Oh, and then you really don't want to come to my barber shop, dude. Mm-mm. You don't want to come to the barber shop, man. Oh, okay. I get you. I get you. I get you. I get you. Okay, what is this? Gold. 4 hour. It was a rejection, and 4 hour took a buy above it. Closed 80%, 13 pips. Runner hit 22 pips. How was the trade? You won. You did good. You won. Um, if you followed your rules, if you managed your risk, if you planned and executed it, there's nothing wrong with your trade. Nothing. You know what I mean? I don't agree with buying that high of a wick, but that's all how you fish. So, you know what I mean? So, so for the people that want to send a chart, Rohit, watch this. So you don't make a mistake next time. So you go here to the picture, you copy link, and you go to tradingview.com, right? Wait, Get rid of that, and you paste that link, right? Just like that, you paste it. But then you only want to copy this right after the .com. You want to copy that, put it in the chart, right? That's how you send the chart for next time. You know what I mean? They can't wait for you at the barbershop, huh? I don't know. I mean, I've been going to my barbershop for like 7 years, bro. So it's more like a family gathering when I'm there. You know, I've been getting my barber paid, bro. You know what I mean? So, like my barber comes to my birthday parties and shit like that. You know, my barber knows my family. You know, I have a really good bond with my family, but soft-hearted people are not welcome at my barbershop. My barbershop, if you soft-hearted or you come in looking goofy, you're hit. You're never going back. You're never going back. Don't touch the hairline. Just edge my size. Now you gotta touch the hairline. You gotta crisp that up with the knife. All that. You got to. 100%. You're welcome, Rohit. Try again. He'll get it this time. I never switch barbers. Never either, bro. Never switch barbers either. Until he dies or until he stops, and I have to look for another one. But so waiting for GJ. Yo, what's up, Aaron? How you doing, bro? Welcome back. Good seeing your face, bro. Let's look. Dude. Okay. Yeah, bro, there's no like explanation here. I just see break structure. I just see a zone. And I see you're trying to short. Explain to me and the people that are watching. Why? You know what I mean? Oh my fucking god. Did that shit just took a fucking dump and stopped me out at break even? Just like that? What in the holy grain fuck? What the fuck? Whoa! What the fuck? Whoa! Let's see if I'm still in the position. Oh, dude. Moment of silence for the people that lost their account. Whoa. Whoa. Moment of silence for the people that blew their account right there trying to buy that shit. I'm not trading gold today. I'm not trading today. It stopped me out at break even. Oh my god. Moment of silence for the people that were buying right there. Oh my god. TP smashed. Oh, my man said TP smashed. Oh my god, my motherfucking man. My man. Oh, no way, no way, no way, no way. Oh my God. Damn. That's a Telegram link, guys. If you guys want to pop in here, man. My man. TP smacked. Oh my God. That was actually insane. Okay, so now, what do we know now? Shit, goddamn. So what do we know now? Let's dissect this. Let's dissect this. All right, let's dissect this. Let's dissect this. So you got to keep in mind, okay, this trade's done. It stopped me out at break even for the runner. That's okay. 100% fine with that. Let's get rid of these lines and let's see what what do you think the time on that was? That time, bro, there's a lot of people crying right now because of that. Insane. That's why I said moment of silence for the people that are buying this. That's manipulation at its finest. Okay, now look, let me stop joking around because there's an opportunity to learn something here. So now what you see here, right? This was just a big liquidity grab. This was just to grab people's stop loss to then have enough liquidity to continue higher. Probably not now, right? But you see how fucked up gold can be at times. Gold has no remorse for you. None. Right? So this is exactly the same thing that happened to me yesterday. Only today it's happening slower. So first off, the first thing that you want this price to do, you want it to wake up as much as you want the 1 hour candle to wake up as much as possible. Right? You want it to let it do its thing. Right? Let it do its thing, but let it close bearish. Right? Let it close bearish. Why do I say let it close bearish with a big rejection like this? Because then the next 1 hour candle is going to come and fill that candlestick right here. Right? Just like right here. Just like that. You see how price spiked. This was fast as well yesterday, dude. Whoever was watching that was fast. Right? Price, let's go to the 1 minute. Right? Look at this 1 minute. Okay? Keep that in mind. Don't buy here. Wait. Trust me and wait, please. If it runs off, it runs off. But you're better off waiting here. Don't jump in. No FOMO. Alright? Learn from this. I'm about to put you guys on some nuggets. Right? You see this right here yesterday on the 1 minute in my strike zone? Right? This 1 minute came back down, spiked up really fast and rejected, right? Then it probably rallied for like 30 pips. And then it's going to eventually come down and fill that wick. That's why I want this 1 hour to close bearish, but with a rejection candle. You know what I mean? I want it to close bearish, but rejecting. And it's going to go up, do its thing, fake a lot of people out, think it's going to buy. Remember, because this is the first signal that it tells you this is the area we're going to buy at, right? And then it goes and then bomb, gone again, right? And it comes back, right? Retests. Now it's ready. Probably might even retest a third time. Same thing happening here, right? Look at that. We had a rejection, but now we know we can pinpoint our zone. We can bring it to this 1 hour, exactly where my green line was for this 1 hour support, right? So we know that in between this orange zone, I'm going to make this orange. Excuse me. In between this zone, we can look for buys next time, right? In between this zone, because it already rejected once very fast. Very aggressive push down, grabbing everyone's stop loss. Now, what do we have up here that we need to target, right? There's equal highs. Same thing as yesterday. Same concept as yesterday is playing out. What did we have here yesterday? What was this yesterday? While we're looking for buys here, right? What was this? Equal highs, stop losses. What is this? Equal highs, stop losses. What are people thinking right now? Yeah, price dumped down. I'm going to hold my shorts, right? New York is about to shred today, dude. Mark my words. Now, only thing that we can do now is be patient. I will not hop in this move. I will wait. I will wait. I will wait. I will wait for the second or the third confirmation that's happening, right? I will wait for the second or third confirmation that's happening. Now we know this zone is valid for buys. It rejected, big, massive rejection. Let it come down. Let it fake people out. Let it fake people out that it's ready to buy. Let it do its thing. Let it retest. Set your alarm for somewhere right here and let it breathe and wait. Trust. You wait now, you're going to get paid. Sad though that it stopped me out at break even. Very sad. Very sad. You're going to start using buy limits. What's the point? What's the point? It's going to come right back to that area. Watch. And if it doesn't, it doesn't. But you have to be patient in times like this. Don't just hop in. Don't. It's not worth it. You're better off to wait. You're better off for price to come down, feel its own wick again, show more price action to continue higher. Simple. Simple. Be very, 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 very careful now. You see how it just slipped a bunch of people? Slipped a lot of people. A lot of people, dude. Oh my God. Oh my God. I feel bad for the new people that are trading or something, you know. Ah, it's messed up. It's messed up. It's messed up. It's messed up. It even stopped me out of my break even, of my my long position that I had. It even stopped me out at break even. But that's fine because I've already collected a lot. Man, I almost blew my account. See, yeah. It's messed up. It's messed up. I know a lot of people. That's why I said moment of silence. I know a lot of people got hit right there. I know a lot of people that were buying that. Ah, man. Feel bad for you guys, man. That was some gypsy shit. Exactly. Let it play out. Let it rest. Let it do what it wants to do. And honestly, if it wants to fly up now, let it fly up. Fuck it. Let it fly up. Let it. You missed the trade. So what? Cry about it. You know what I mean? You missed the trade. So what? Oh, let me go back to these comments. Are you Hispanic? The Curious Chris? Chris, no sir. I am a African American mixed with Italian. Ain't you from that one trading group, Trading Lounge? I was there when it was, you know, nice and cozy. Everyone was cool with each other. Damn, gold, what the fuck? Damn, what the fuck? Touch my point of interest. GG, no way. I caught that, bro. So lucky. Good job, AM. Gold just shit on everyone. Big shit. Curious. I knew it was going down before going long. Always wait for that pullback. Yes, sir. Curious. I agree. That's some voodoo shit. Black magic bullshit. Problematic. I hope you didn't have your. Hope you didn't buy there, bro. Larnell's like KO. Yeah, it was too high. Need to come down. Agreed. Damn, son. Got into this during London. FX all day. I hope you got some explanation in there, bro. So this is your wick retest on the 1 minute you were talking about earlier. Yes, sir. Now you just gotta wait. There's a possibility that it runs off, but just wait. If it runs off, it runs off. Shit, goddamn, fucking gold. I'm like 100 pips drawdown. $100 drawdown. Oh, dude. Damn. Yeah. Hey, what do you think the time on that was? Like 1 second? Yeah. Slippage. Gap. Let me look at my broker. See if the broker gapped. Nope. It's retesting to go long. Agreed, 100%. Russian central banks sold gold. Probably. I wanted to come here for buys, but did not look at that fast again. It's going to go back. Nothing to do with time. Everyone's just laughing. Moment of silence. Yeah, dude. Let's wait for the market structure to enter. Yeah. Whoa. Agree, bro. A lot of slippage as well. People got hit. New York opens is going long. Agreed again. I'm gonna start using buy limits. That's on you. Now gold make that wick. Man, almost blew my account. Yeah, man, shit was move. That move was insane, bro. Bank robbers telling us how to rob gold. Just be patient. Put in some gold. Putin sold some gold. Probably set up stop loss always. Yeah, but when a move like this happens, it jumps over your stop loss. Say like this is a stop loss. If your broker doesn't have liquidity until here, he's gonna take that price and you lose all this, right? Um, got the crash on gold. Good job, Abdul, man. Proud of you. How can I join the free Telegram? There's a link. Scroll up. I'll be right back. Give me like 5 minutes. I need to go grab some more coffee as well. So I'll see you guys in like what, 2 minutes. Let's have a little break. Let's have this. Let's let this breathe, man. Trust. Hmm. Had some breakfast in the meantime as well, real quick. I'm not a boss, bro. I'm your friend. Don't ever call me a boss. I didn't put you in position of power. Not your boss. I'm your friend. I'm your homie. You can talk to me. I have a shoulder for you. Come here, boy. Hmm. All right, let's see. Yeah, I just had a quick little I was actually fucking crazy. Moment of silence for the people that blew their account. Feel bad for them. All right. What was that on gold? Was it a news? I don't think it's news. I think it was more just like a manipulation of the market, manipulating of the stop losses. Um, that was it, bro. I don't think there's any news. We'll look here in a bit, right? Runs off just to put a buy above highs to catch the launch, but it was like 1 minute idea looking for a pullback up. Wait for that pullback. It's gonna come back in here. It's gonna probably rest and then it's gonna go. Trust. Vincent, how you doing, man? Long time no see, bro. Hi, sir. Can I ask what just happened with that 1 minute sneeze? I don't know, bro. I'm gonna investigate that coming up here. It could be news, but honestly, I just think it's pure manipulation. Um, I think it's pure manipulation. Yeah, that was insane. For the people that sold up there, dude. Oh my God. Jesus, there's so much volume in the market. Let's look how big 1 minute candle is right now. Just 1 minute candle, okay? 1 minute candle is right now is 18 pips in 1 minute candle. 1 minute candle, you know? We all should take a 5 minute break and cry in silence. I have no reason to cry, bro. Um, I didn't take any trades. You know what I mean? New here. Wait, gold is a bitch. Don't blame gold. If you can't tame the beast and let it fly away. Go to the toilet. Not a crash, just liquidity grip. Time to break the daily low. Yeah, boss is back. Oh yeah, I'm not your boss, I'm your friend. New here. Do you ever take trades on stream? Sometimes, not all the time, because the way I trade. I'm a very patient person. I wait for my zones to get hit, and then I wait for confirmations, and then I will enter the trade. Right? AGR. I just went for a fucking shower, and this drop happened. Fuck. Man, that's what I was smelling the whole time, bro. And now all of a sudden you write that comment, and I don't smell it anymore. That was AGR stinking. I was messing with you, bro. Yo, what's up, Louis? How you doing, bro? Long time no see, man. Hope everything's doing well. Congrats. 100 people join your group on Telegram. What are we doing today? How do I get myself on the team list again today? Please do not ask stupid questions. Nah, Spielman. Fuck up, bro. How you doing, man? Spielman. It's not news at all. Probably not. I don't trust this move down on gold. No, it's gonna go up. Just going for orders. No news. Liquidity spikes to me. That's it. AGR, you laughing? You like? Did I? Yeah, I did. Okay, perfect. Well, I can't smell me anymore. All right, let me go to just real quick. Just real quick. I wanna research it myself. Oof, goofles. Google financial juice. Let's see here if Gunk just grabbed the stop. Oh, dude, come on, man. I don't want to sign up. Can't I just? Can't type for shit. Oh my god. And that for a PC gamer. Jesus. Ganka just grabbed the stops. Yeah. Come on, financial juice, bro. You don't like my name or what? Huh? Alright. Alright. It doesn't look like any news happened. Let's go to Forex Factory because that shit's messing up. Let's look here. Nothing. Nothing. 52 minutes ago. Nothing. CAD. USD. Nothing. 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 Pure spike down. Someone in my community just sold gold in 1933. TP 1916. Speedy TP. Yeah. 100% agreed. That was absolutely insane. Right? Absolutely insane. For the people that did grab that, very good job. I'm gonna wait. This is when you could tell a good trader from a bad trader, because the bad trader is gonna hop in, scared that it's gonna leave. The good trader is gonna wait. Right. 9 times out of 10, a good trader is gonna wait for price to come back to the zone where it rejected from once. This is the first signal. Let's wait for a second signal and probably a third signal, and then let's buy it right back up. Target these equal highs for New York, and that's it. You should be good, man. There shouldn't be any stress on you right now. The 4-hour candle has 3 hours. Do you know how long that is? Do you know what can happen in 3 hours? Right? Just lucky, 1 in a million. Sometimes, yeah, bro. Sometimes you do enter trades like that and you just get lucky. Yeah. But you got it. I'm happy for you. You know what I mean? I'm happy that you grabbed the trade. I'm happy that you made money today. $100%. Vincent, I got that too. Yeah. You guys are fucking beasts, dude. Honestly, I'm not looking to buy here now. You can do whatever it wants. Nope. No. See, I came down to that 1-hour support area that I had marked off with a yellow line or green line, just to keep my charts clean, and it went exactly to that area. Wait for this 1 hour to close, please. Wait for this to close. This is doing exactly what I want. It's doing exactly what I wanted to do. Close about this area. Let it come down again. Let it come down again. Right? Let it breathe. Let it mess around. And let it buy here in New York. That's it. Let it target the Asian highs. Right? Asian highs right here. Right here. Right here. Doesn't matter. Right? Asian high. Right here in this area. Let me just do this. Asian high. Right. It's a beautiful day today. Oh man, the sun is out beaming right now. I love it. Man, I'm about to milk this trade, go outside and see if one of my homies want to barbecue or something. Put some steak on the grill or some lambs. Still kind of cold, you know, it's 8 degrees, but the sun's out, man. When the sun's out, you can do everything. Um, when you see a 4-hour candle open with no bottom wick, does that mean price will come down to create a bottom wick? Explain on GJ. Let's have a look, bro. Oh, I see. Oh, that's the 1 hour. I see. Um, Sometimes, yes. Sometimes it will come down, but sometimes it won't. It's all depends. What did GJ break here? What did I have marked off on GJ? weekly is about to flip. Yeah, it could potentially. Yeah, this could potentially just wake up to come down. Yeah, potentially, bro. Potentially. 100%. Yeah, probably, bro. It just all depends. It all depends. It could not leave a bottom wick and just leave, or it could, um, reject and make a bottom wick plus the body of the bearish candle, right? So gold's doing exactly what we wanted to do. Gold tapped into our zone. Now we're gonna wait for this 1 hour candle to close. We're gonna wait for this next 1 hour candle to come down, show us another sign of rejection, possibly close doji, like something like this. I can't draw, so bear with me. Something like that. Who knows? And then in that time, we'll be looking for lower time frame entries. When you see most of the time, yo, what's up, Mitch? How you doing, bro? Welcome. What's up, bank robber? How you doing, Joe Scott? Welcome, bro. Happy to see you. What was your turning point in trading? The point when you started seeing consistent and started seeing profit? That point was actually when I became more patient and I followed 3 simple rules. I followed these rules. Give you guys the key right here. Always have a 1-to-2 ratio or better. And don't overtrade. I'm talking about like don't take like 7 trades, That's what I'm talking about with don't overtrade. Now, you could take 2 trades a day. There's nothing wrong with that. If you know, like on one trade I risk like 0.50%, and on this trade I'll risk another 0.50%. But those are my rules that I really stick by every single day. And those rules was gave me that turning point to actually become consistent and profitable, because yeah, you're gonna lose. Yeah, you're gonna you're gonna have times when you lose. You're gonna have times when you win. But say in those times when you lose, you're over risking because your emotions are getting the better of you. Blow your account that way. You could lose way more than intended, and when you have a 1-2, you need like 6 winning trades to get that loss back. Trust me, I've been there, bro. I've been there by just losing, over risking, losing, over risking. It's not good. It's not good. Right? Sentry Nick. Lucky I sold my buy position and switched perspective and gained 4K. Congratulations. I'm happy for you. I'm going to tell you my PayPal link. Send something to this right here. PayPal, bro. Where's the Telegram link? Scroll up, bro. Or wait, I'll send it again. But don't come in here asking stupid questions when you're ready to buy and sell. I mean, everyone in this group is pretty relaxed, right? Everyone, I'll block you if I see some weird shit, bro. I'll just block you. I wouldn't care. And that's just not for you. That's for everyone. If you join the link, just don't be in here. Don't come in here being toxic, dude. Try to learn, Sometimes I'll post a setup in there, what I'm looking for. But most of the time, I'm just there to answer questions and just talk to y'all. That's it, right? Be buying. I'm looking for buys. Yeah. Is the Telegram group free? It's free of charge, bro. For you, it's free. For other people, they have to pay me $10. You know what I mean? So, oh man, Amir, there goes, right? Some people in here joining. That's what's up, man. Just come in here, relax, dude. I mean, you know, oh, he's about to get blocked. I don't like that name. Why is his name FBI? It's the police, man. It's the police, man. FBI's on my tail, right? Just talking here, like the trade from yesterday called out in here, you know. So, discipline will take you where motivation can never. I agree with that. I agree with that. What are you waiting on with gold? I'm waiting for this 1 hour candle to pull back down. Reject again. Just my gaming name, bro. Bro, he's about to get blocked. I already blocked someone that was called FBI. That's why. Give me 1 second. I have a phone call. Oh, you don't have to. I know it's you now. It's funny, I leave for a bit. 20 people leave as well. Alright, alright, alright. Alright, alright, alright. Alright, 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 alright. Oh, Jesus Christ. Help this boy. Alright. So, the best thing to do is wait. That is the best thing to do. Wait right now. Wait for it to come back into the zone. Give you another Mitch, welcome to the group. Give you another confirmation on the lower time frames, and then you're gonna look for buys, right? Don't just hop in right now because price is pushing up. Don't do that. It's not smart. It's FOMO. It's not good. Right. For the people that did subscribe, I appreciate it a lot. I don't know who did, but thank you very much for subbing. I appreciate it. Hope to see you back next time as well. Right now, we're just waiting. Oh, geez. Man, since you guys are coming into the free Telegram group, you might as well give me a follow on Instagram. Jeez. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, look at that, dude. Jeez. Right, yeah, go follow my Instagram as well, man. That'll be pretty dope. Got some content on there for you guys to look at. Were you sometimes on Luke Trades London? Yes, sir, I was. Luke's a very good buddy of mine. He lives not far away from me, so yes, sir. Me and Luke traded together a lot. Yeah, why not? But your Instagram link here. Yeah, Instagram link just right there. You know what I mean? So the potential things that could happen. Cozy TV, I appreciate the sub, bro. I really appreciate it. I hope you. Now, right now, there's not really nothing that I can share from nuggets wise. Well, I actually can, but then it would just be repeat. But the more you stick around, the more you're gonna learn, bro. I like to break down the market as it's happening. Like right now, what we're waiting for is we had these zones marked off. And I was helping someone, and then next thing you know, gold spiked down into that area. Didn't give us an entry. But now, what are we going to wait for? Is we are going to wait for this 1 hour candle to come back down, right? Reject again. And then on the next 1 hour candle, or probably that next in 2 hours, we're going to get an entry. So now we just have to wait and be patient. Let it come down. Let it come down. Everyone's FOMO buying. Let it come down. If you miss a trade, you miss a trade. I just found you today. I appreciate you for clicking it, man. I appreciate you for, just popping in, saying what's up, leaving a comment. Much love. Oh, man, that's messed up, dude. It stopped me out at BE just like that, man. That was a sick trade, though, from yesterday to today. I cashed out about 370 pips. Kind of sad, though. The rest, actually. Let's see here. What's going on here? Buy, stop. That's FOMO, dude. Why? FOMO, bro. Muhammad, it's FOMO. I'm happy that it's working out for you, but it's FOMO, bro. It's FOMO. Right? Oh my God, that's actually insane. That is actually insane. Feel your pain. What does NLG mean? But I appreciate you guys' subs, man. I really do. What does NLG mean, bro? But for me, there's no trade until it comes back into this area again, and then wants to go up again. Otherwise, nope. Not gonna lie. Okay. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't really hurt because it's gonna print plenty of opportunities. Plenty. I could have gotten FOMO, right? And entered at the 15-minute close. But then my stop loss is 100 pips, dude. No way in heck. Then you would need the price to come back here from this push. Is there enough volume in New York? I don't know. Right? Now, the difference is if I wait for price to come down here, somewhere in this area, and I cut my stop loss already in half because you want your stop loss below the zone, and then I don't have to TP that high. You know what I mean? for a 2-to-1. So, but I am targeting Asian highs, 100%, 100%. FOMO will kill your account, 100% agreed, 100% agreed. FOMO will kill your account. Wait, be patient. Right? It's gonna give you another chance to get in. Trust me when I say this. This was happening yesterday as well. This was happening yesterday as well. Let's go to the 1 minute. Let me show you guys how it happened. Right here. Yesterday. Different time, same setup, same zone at that. You know what I mean? Same zone. Price spiked down. Me and Jerry were looking at this like, oh, it's gonna run, it's gonna leave. No, we were patient. Jerry and I decided, you know, when price comes down in this area, we're gonna look for a nice price action. We're gonna buy it. Again, we're gonna have our stops below this wick, and we're gonna see what price does. We're gonna risk accordingly, and we'll see, right? Now, if it flies up from here, then so be it. Cry about it. You know what I mean? Cry about it. But I will not enter until price comes down into this area. It gives you gold always gives you 2 or 3 chances to get in. Trust me when I say that. You missed your first chance, second chance is on the way. Trust me when I say that. That gold move gives nice info on where the support was. Yeah, exactly. 100%. You see how it came right back into that area? Came right back into that area from yesterday where I had my buys at. And it honestly didn't stop me out. Spread stopped me out. So if it wasn't for the spreads, I'd still be in this. The spreads were huge just now. Spreads were huge. That 1 minute drop, huge. Let's see how many pips that was in like 1 minute. Yeah, huge spreads, huge volume, huge. A lot of people got finesse right there. Now we know price rejected. We're gonna wait for price to come back to that rejection zone. Probably won't be as low as here. You see what you see here? Look, spike here, spikes higher, right? Let it come down, spike another time. Get in. Better risk to reward. You'll get rewarded for being patient. And let it fly. Let it fly. I'm still targeting my initial TP area, which was right here. I'm still targeting that initial. But now we have more structure to the left, so you gotta TP here first. How much was you in profit before his TP? 10 cents. 10 cents, bro. $10. I mean, leaving a runner, when you leave a runner, you have to be okay with losing everything. You have to be okay with that. I had a 20% runner, so I was very much okay with that. Right? Very much okay with that. Alright, bro, Mitch. See you later, bro. Thank you for tuning in, though, 100%. I just had to make a YouTube video or an Instagram video real quick. Alright. So, you see how it's slowly pulling back? Let it breathe, man. Let it breathe. Be easy, Mitch. I smell something off. What? I smell something off from yesterday, so I just closed my position before the rally even happened. Okay. If you smelled that the rally is about to happen, then you should let me know what you smell when price gets down in that yellow box. Let me know what you smell down there, so I could get a buy in or not. All right. You let me know what you smell, brother. I'll PayPal you some profits. I got you, bro. 100%. Right? My man Vincent. My man Vincent smelled that we were going up from that area. What a beast. What a beast, dude. What a beast. Roland's a beast. Or Vincent's Roland's a beast too, but Vincent's a beast as well. Right? AGR, I swear it wasn't me. I already took a shower. Stop lying, boy. You go take a shower again, boy. I want that smell indicator. Martins, tell me about it, bro. I'll even pay him, bro. I'll even pay him. Like, okay, look, you smell me? You be like, I'll smell you. You know what I mean? If you smell in this yellow box that we're gonna go up, Vincent, let's make a deal. I'll give you 30% of the profits every time you win, and I'll get you clients. If you can smell when price is gonna buy or sell, I got you, brother. I got you, 100%. He's like, LOL. He's like, fuck you, bro. Leave me alone. Let me smell in peace. Let him smell in peace, bro. Oh man, I feel bad for the people that were buying up here, man. I really do. It's kind of messed up. It is kind of messed up. I am gonna put it. Put an alarm right here. You know what I'm saying? I'm not looking for any buys until price gets back to that area. None. Zero. Nada. Nothing. Right. So for the people that is in there, send a chart. Ask some questions, man. Let's break something down here. Let's help someone get better at their craft. Welcome, Abdullah, to the Telegram. All right. I have to mute my phone. But dudes, guys and gals, I think that was enough for today. Um, you guys know what I'm looking at. Um, if it doesn't get down there, then you shouldn't look for an entry. Right? Can we do some back testing? Okay. What would you like back tested? I was actually about to end the stream, but since you insist, what would you like for me to back test? 15-minute engulfings. What do you think of ICT? Um, it's a good way of trading. I mean, every way of trading is good, man. As long as you have the psychology to maintain that good way of trading, then there should be no issue. taking any trades yet, bro? No. My trade from yesterday got stopped at break even, sadly, with this fucking rejection. Gold this week or last week on London Open has been volatile. The reason for that is because of the war, and normally London Open is always volatile. So let's break down this week. Let's break down last week's London session. So last week's London session, we were looking at the 21st to the 25th. 21st, 21st. 21st, 25th. Okay. So this whole week, we're only going to look at London session for you, okay? So I'm going to tell you potential entries. I'm going to show you. I don't have the plus version of TradingView, so I can't rewind it how you would like, right? So London session opens at 8 a.m. my time, closes at 5 p.m. This is the London Open candle. All right, let me go to the 15 minutes so we can have more. So we have more detail, right? One tip that I can give you is always know what your Asian highs are and your Asian lows. So at this point, your Asian highs are up here, right? Know if Asian drops, London's going to come and get these stop losses 9 times out of 10. It's very rare that Asia, London, and New York drop at the same time or go up. It happens, but it's rare, right? Asian drops, London corrects, New York continues to drop, or otherwise. There's not really a pattern to it, right? Just know that you're always looking for Asian highs to get rated and Asian lows to get taken out, right? Yeah, I still prefer soft deck. So I'm gonna just go over how you could potentially catch these trades at 8 a.m. At 8 a.m. and then 9 a.m. your push happens. So you actually get in before the push happens. So we know Asian highs are up here. So eventually you're going to be targeting this area. And it's easy to say because price already happened. But if you see this stuff while it happens, you can learn from it. You can capitalize on it. So 8 a.m. happens, right? 5 minute. I'm not gonna go into the 5 minute. I'm just gonna keep you strictly 15-minute. This, if you read the book Candlestick Bible, I don't know the names of all of them, but this is a reversal pattern. That was an entry right here, right? Stops below, and you're most definitely always want to take profit at your first resistance area to the left. Now it's London, right? London comes down. You see how Asian came down. London pushes up, rests. New York continues the dirty work, right? Right here, you have resistance. Your previous what? Lower low, lower high. Previous lower high gets broken, gets retested. Support is formed, right? Entries are formed, right? And that's why I said gold will tell you multiple times before it wants to go up. It told you here once, rejection. Support above resistance, twice, rejection. Support above resistance, 3 times, boom, engulfing candle, broke resistance, another support formed, right? Buy gold now, you won't get a retest. I'm not in any hurry. I still have all year to trade, right? For them to push up, right? New York comes, right? Asian comes, right? This is Asia. Now you have London Open starts here now today, right? at this consolidation range, right? How are you gonna capitalize on this here? Well, and I do, if you want to get on at London session, I do suggest that you get on at like 8 a.m., 7:30 a.m. so you can watch beforehand, right? Honestly, I don't see on the 15-minute, I don't see an entry right here. I would never enter just based off of this resistance, never. I don't see an entry, right, to catch it down, right? Probably on the 30-minute, engulfing or something. Yeah, there you go. On the 30-minute, you did have an entry right here. The 30-minute, you could have entered at the break, or you could have entered on the close. Stops above always, right? Then take it down. Very nice. What are you targeting? Well, look left, right? What do you have here? You have your first structure right here, second structure right here, third structure down here, right? Boom. Let's scroll over a little bit more. Go 9 a.m. or sorry, 8 a.m. Right, but you see Asian, London. Oh wait, I'm wrong. Asian, London pushes down. London takes a break. London takes a break. Right, then New York comes, pushes up. Right, does nothing, does nothing. London next day. London next day. Let's go. Let's circle this here, just so I know where I'm at. Let's go to 15-minute. Reset that chart. London next day, 15-minute, right here. Right, where's the Asian highs at? Right, when you're low, you're looking to target the highs always. Where's your previous Asian highs at? Previous Asian highs are right here. That's your Asian highs, right? Look at this beautiful rejection candle right here. Beautiful. That's your entry. Stops below. Targeting Asian highs, right? You're looking at 1 hour time frame. What's to the left? What's my previous higher high? You know what I mean? What's your previous higher high? Right? Price rallied. Left people in the dust. Left. Right? Then price comes up. New York or London session. I was watching this live. I didn't enter. It was way too high for me. Price left. Right? Boom. Came down. See London. And then no more Londons. London has great moves. You just got to capitalize on them. Right? And now we're on this week. See, I have my Asian highs marked off. You always want to target that Asian high. Or Asian low. Asian low got rated. Look at that. Asian low got rated bad. Bad. Sad. Right? On that first trade idea, would you enter the 15-minute break of the high, given that the 15-minute previous close below the daily floor, or wait for a solid support form? I'll get on the break at a high. 100% break at a high. Yep. I like that break at a high. If you want, have a quick look, just for your opinion. Yeah. AUD JPY. Okay. Anticipate price to break above these highs with New York open. Oh, that's only 30 pips. Jeez. Okay. So, I like the idea. This is 30-minute candle. But when the time's right, you'll start seeing. I don't know if you're on the charts here in this area. But when the time is right, you'll start seeing moves happen quicker, right? I see more entries that you possibly could have had, right? So you see this first push down right here, right? Push down, spiked up, came back, right? A lot of FOMO. If you would have entered here, you probably would have got your TP anyway. Price came back down. To break it as 30-minute high, you could have gotten in at the low and put your stops below the low, sorry. And then you could be looking at TP1 here, TP2 here. Now, with this trade that you're in right now, bro, I 100% do. Me personally, I would never enter. I would wait for it to pull back down into this area. Why? Because that's your previous resistance. Right now, I don't know how AJ works, ADJPY. So I'm actually, I don't know how the pair works. I'm just breaking down pure market structure. I'll wait for another pullback down here to then continue higher, right? Always look for that better risk reward. And then your first TP should be right here, 100% every time, right? Why? Because this is your next area of resistance. You know what I mean? Then, if you end up breaking that, you see the pullback happen, then you want to TP here, right? That's what I would look at. I like the idea. Me personally, I would have been more patient, and I would have waited for that extra pullback to get in, right? Yo, what's up, Mev? For your information, the huge drop on gold was anticipated. The key signal that gave it away was the lower high after price retested 1950. Send a chart, bro. Monthly chart on SBRCY. Thanks a lot. You're welcome. Send a chart, bro. Mev, I told you plenty of times, bro. I'm not gonna keep telling you. It's kind of hard to read big text like this, look at all the numbers, and then do calculations. You know what I mean? But for I'm gonna just call you Zachary's. It was for Zachary's, and then Jay. I hope you guys learned something from that little explanation. Now that was the last explanation or the last little nuggets I am gonna give for today. I am currently going to get off the stream. I've been streaming for way past my hours now. It's always from like 10:30 to like 12:30ish. So, oh my god. I'm just gonna ignore this, dude. Put him on the Timmy list. I'm at 1, 2, 3. He said, "Yo, don't disrespect Roger Banks and Uncle Ted again, lad. They've helped a lot of traders out, and one of the realest in the industry. Have some respect." There was never any disrespect. Actually, Roger was in my stream yesterday. We're talking right here in my stream. So I feel like you're just being childish for bringing up something very, very old that I forgot about even until you brought it up. Roger doesn't care anymore. We're grown men, dude. We don't care about the petty. He's older than me, I understand. We don't care about that petty beef. It's petty. It's petty. Life is way bigger than petty beef, dude. You're still stuck in the past. Roger came in here yesterday, shared his idea. I shared mine, and you know what's funny? Roger made money yesterday with his idea, and I made money with my idea yesterday, and we agreed on both. So why are you still coming in here talking shit about something that's way out of content? Something that's already... Nobody cares anymore, dude. Only you. Nobody cares anymore. Only you care. You know what I mean? There was never any real disrespect. The only disrespect that there was my voice was loud. That's it. I apologized. Everything's fine. We moved on. Roger was here yesterday. Ted probably doesn't care anymore. We're grown men. As if they're gonna lose sleep. As if I'm gonna lose sleep. No way, dude. We're all old enough. We're all smart enough, dude, to know that it's petty. We all have the same goal, dude. You know what I mean? We all have the same goal. Helping other people. We're all in the same industry. Right? I don't have to apologize to anyone. No, you're right. But I did then. You know what I mean? Because you have to know when you're wrong. You have to know when you're right. You know what I mean? That's how I was grew up. That's how I grew up. That's how my parents raised me. If you're wrong, you're wrong. If you're right, you're right. Stand on it. You know what I mean? If you're wrong, man up. Say sorry. There's nothing wrong with saying sorry. You know what I mean? But for Ahmed to come in here off something that's way out of context, it's just funny. It shows how 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 grown up he is. You know what I mean? How grown he is. When his mentor was in the stream yesterday, hanging out, chilling. Exactly. CH. His mentor was here yesterday, chilling with me, respecting everything that I was talking about, and agreeing with me. He made money and I made money. And I said, yes, we have the same idea. We're both fishing, but he's using a different rod. We're both looking for that one fish. We're both looking for the buy. He just used a different rod and a different approach, made his money. I used a different approach, made my money. You know what I mean? So Ahmed, with that being said, suck my dick, ho. I'm gonna block you now. Oh no, I hit him on accident. I was supposed to block him. I'm gonna put you in timeout like a little boy. You're doing a great job. Thanks, bro. What was the biggest loss you took, and how did you bounce back? I see your 3 essential trading rules. You have broken them since then. No, I've lost in a day. I've lost 3 grand. That's my biggest loss in a day. But that was when I was over risking, over trading, not knowing what the fuck I was doing. Sent the chart. All right, bro. Let's have a look real quick. Teflon, what's up, bro? How you doing, Teflon, man? Happy that you're in the thing right here, bro. Appreciate you coming, man. All right. Simple explanation. No higher high was made after 1950. Okay. Expecting price to retest 1905. Key zone. All right. Okay. Before continuing back up, creating a higher high at 1973 in this area. Okay. 1950 retest key level, lower high, double top as well. Daily wicks today's wick should pull back and strongly pull back since gold is heavily bullish. Okay. Break and retest to continue down to 1905. I like your idea, 100%. I like the idea. What made you choose this zone though, bro? Put him in timeout, cut? 100%. 100%, bro. Little dumbass boy, for that little nigga timeout. But what's this zone? I'm curious. I'm curious, brother. I 100% agree with your thought process. It could most definitely come down into here, but we've already rejected here, and it shows us, okay, if price comes back into this area, and it shows us for a second time. So this is signal number 1. If price comes into this area, it shows signal number 2, and I see like an engulfing or any type of candlestick pattern, then I will most definitely take that move back up, right? Because what's telling me is if you look, oh geez, oops, sorry. If you look at this daily, bro, yesterday, right? Look at yesterday's daily candle. Yesterday's daily candle was very, 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 but very, very bullish, right? Now we did a break, right? We did a break here on the daily, right? We broke. Now we should come back into this area and retest, right? I think it just did that. Now it could retest deeper, 100% agree. But I have my zones marked off, and I think the only zone that I'm still interested in, if this one doesn't show, would be this, and that's it. Oh, that's the zone that you have marked off. Oh, it is. It is. Yeah. I agree 100% because, and I think I know now. I think I know what you mean with this zone is because it's untested support potentially. I don't know. Um, potentially, that's probably why. But go ahead, explain. I'm always open to listen, bro. I'm always down to listen to some different ideas, different thought process of other people and why they're looking at the zone. My reason for this, drawing the zone is because um it's obviously support, but it's untested support, right? So it hasn't been price hasn't came to that area and tested it as a support, valid support. So, what do you mean by a 1-to-2 ratio? Um, all right. Um, let's say for example, here, right? You would always want to make more than you risk, double your risk, basically. So, say you enter a short here, right? Your stops are above structure. You have a 36 pip stop loss, right? Now, a 1-to-1 risk to reward is at 36 pips, right? When price reaches here, you've made the same amount of money as you risked, right? But you always want to make the double of your risk. That's what it is, basically. You can see that by here. You see right here, you go, oh man. Right here it says 2.02. It should be like 2. That's a 2 risk to reward. You bring it down. This is 3 times. You're making 3 times your risk, right? And the reason why, because if you win a 2-to-1 ratio and you lose your next trade, you're still a ratio in profit. You know what I mean? And then if you lose that trade, then you're at break even. And you win the next trade and you win the next trade. So, right? Markup is based on the 4-hour and has not yet to be retested. Yeah, we have the same exact process. Good job. And what makes me believe more that it will be retested in the future is a price respecting the ascending triangle that you see in my chart. Okay. All right. Oh yeah. Okay, I see it now. All right. Area of confluence. That's why I believe it's a zone that can be retested strongly, or simply a quick liquidity grab within that zone. 1905. I love it. Perfect. I love it. COVID brand, you're welcome, bro. But Mev, I love it. Could turn into a quick 30-minute, 1-hour liquidity grab in the trend line, and the main reason I like that zone. Yeah, I love it. Very good job, bro. Now you just gotta be patient and wait for price to come down here. I love it. Good job, bro. I hope people learn something from Mev's explanation. But with that being said, Mev gets the last word. I am about to hop off here. For whoever popped in, thank you. I really do appreciate it. For whoever learned something, I'm happy that you learned something. We'll be back here tomorrow. If you haven't taken a trade yet, you don't have to. Sit back, relax, wait till price gets to your area, and don't over trade, don't over risk, please. So, thank you guys for popping in. It's your boy Bank Robber. I'll see you guys tomorrow, man. Peace.